One succumbed to injuries in Hanover crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. One man succumbed to injuries and at least 3 other people hospitalized following a 2-vehicle collision in Hanover on Saturday afternoon. The crash reportedly occurred on the Asher Main Road in the vicinity of Asher Primary School's entrance. The deceased man has been identified as 26-year-old Roshane Reid of Lances Bay in the parish. Reports are that shortly after 5 p.m., a blue Mitsubishi motor car that was being driven by Reid with 3 occupants aboard, a woman and 2 children, was traveling in the direction of Lucy towards Green Island when the vehicle collided with a Toyota Hiace bus traveling in the opposite direction. The occupants of the car were taken to hospital where Reid succumbed to his injuries. Details surrounding the injuries of the other occupants is unclear up to the publication of this report. Reid's aunt, Juliet Jarrett, told reporters that her nephew's death comes just less than a month after she buried another family member. The Lucy police are investigating. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.